$35.
35.11. Nice.
That's the black ice catching carbon.
Wow. What's over here? This is nuts.
It's so expensive.
Where is it? I'm sure it is. I'm sure protein bars are like $6. That's cool though. How does it work? Where does it? Oh, that's the thing that.
You just pull one of these. They have like actual like food too. They have bologna, I think, and they had ham. And they got some canned stuff. They got canned. They got tomato soup, ravioli, and French onion dip.
Man.
The peanut butter. Guess how much the peanut butter is?
Sure, like $6 or $7.
$7.
This is just like a last effort, last resort kind of thing.
With bays upstairs and you're out of supplies.
Yeah.
Come up here to get your garbage bins.
It's pretty dope, honestly. That's pretty cool.
Freaking loaves of bread.
Batteries, cat food. What more do you need?
When I first got the tour of the place,
Yeah.
she was walking me this way,
Yeah.
and so we were just walking straight forward, and I was like, whoa, 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 wait a minute. Whoa, what is this?
What are those?
Oh, she's like, oh, you haven't seen this? This is just our, thing.
This is just our thing.
The canned sodas are $1. The bottle sodas, I think, are $2.50, Colin.
Yeah, that too.
But look, you got medicine down here: Dayquil, NyQuil, Advil, sinus stuff, gum. It's crazy,
24
actually.
hours. I mean, it's cool that it's 24 hours because when you're sick at night and like you don't like wanna. Yeah, but popcorn, huge ass thing. It goes.
I got freaking Pop-Tarts with onion.
That's pretty cool.
Only blueberry is stronger. Yeah, this is also pretty cool.